My people, activists, human rights activists, Aisha Yesufu don, in fact, she don come explode my head. I no even fit think again. She dey reply all the Twitter users because people now they don dey blast am. Una no know wetin she do. She go dey support gay people, and according to Ram, she say make nobody deceive anybody, and you no need anyone to like your sexuality. Say no, you no even need anybody to say okay, I like you, I not like you. The important thing wey you need be say make they accept you the way you dey. She dey refer to gays, she dey refer to lesbian, all these people wey dey do same sex. Now be say my people automatically she dey support them, and now people come dey blast them. Now she don come outside come reply them. No be small thing o. Abeg make person wake me up, because as I dey like this e be like say I dey dream. No, I dey very serious o, and I no dey laugh if una dey see my face. Aisha Yesufu, hey! E be like say this woman wan lose her respect. Pata. You wan lose your respect because the way, no, my people, una don't know how they praise this woman. Oh, if they even give me gun that period, say shoot person for this woman's sake, I don't shoot her. I no even think am once. Now she don't come for my hand. Hey, Aisha. Una no go understand. This woman fight for NSAS. You see, fight. No, she just dey blast all the politicians wey no get sense. And that period if I get money, say if I go dash am. But this one like this, this one will reach me today. One of una wey dey think say gay, lesbian and things na from God. I don't know how una dey think. No, where una head dey go? If una think say gay and lesbian na from God, no be this same God create Adam and Eve. If na gay God want, no, e no for be Adam and Eve. E for be Adam and Steve. But he do Adam and Eve, una suppose get sense. Now this same God still go destroy Sodom and Gomorrah because of this same homosexuality. So now they come, they tell me, see, this homosexuality no be from God, oh. No be from God, oh. Make una open una ear where this thing na devil's doctrine. And in fact, now where they think this matter, it be like say they don't send Aisha seriously, and are they very serious? See, yeah, I'm not in my mouth as I dey talk am. They don't send this woman because it be like say you dey read Quran, abi. I'm not sure say this thing dey inside Quran say homosexuality na good thing. I'm not sure. So from where this woman don't bring her, no wonder. Now they understand. BBC don't recognize her. So more people just they recognize Aisha, and those people they no good. So now, Aisha, you don't become instrument now to some people to use you. That period where this girl they fight evil things. I no been they understand. Now they understand. So her plan before be say she go do good things so that she go get plenty followers. People go they like her. Then show us her real color. I will bring this woman outside. I am very disappointed. Madam, wait. So as you big finish, I been they like you before. So no even look me like that because I'm not even the smile. No worry, oh. No be gay, homosexuality. Your son, your son go marry a fellow man. No talk. And if I hear him say you complain or you come out for social media, they cry for help. Now me and you go enter that thing where they wear that hijab. I you don't know what they call it. Now me and you go sit down inside that thing. Relax. No be here with the you come out before everybody come they like you, everybody want die for your matter. Now see, you just foolish anyhow. This statement wey you just do, you don't know. My people, see, this woman come outside, they fight evil fight to create evil things. Seriously, I don't know whether when I even they shocked the way this thing even shocked me. Aisha, hey, I beg, we like you for answer, so now they end. No going say because you do that one, we go come like you for this statement where you come make. Because nobody they support you. And any of una where they support her, now already know what you are. No, na name. I know not be me go tell now. My people, now the matter be this, so Aisha Yesufu don't come outside. In fact, I don't know this woman again. No, if you know her, tell me for the comment section because me, I don't know her. My people, there is fire on the mountain in Ghana. Was at the Totuna now everywhere they hot for Ghana Parliament. No be small fire. As for now, we no know. Before this election, MPP been get the highest number of seats for Parliament, and anybody will get highest number of seats, they sit down for the right hand side, and those will not get get lower number, they go there for the left hand side. But my people, after election now, they come become equal. Right, come get 37, 137, left to come get 137. My people can't see wahala now. As the first set of people enter, they go straight to the right hand side because now nobody gets any higher or lower again. Now so people come next, come see fight. Usula can't see person wey sit down for her seat according to her because she don already dey used to that seat. And then wahala come boss. Instead of make they jejely they go for their left hand side, leave this matter alone. So this woman no gree, go there, push the man, no be small thing. In fact, everywhere come boss. When this matter reach me, people I come dey wonder say how this waiting they cause all these plenty things. And so my friend where I get for Ghana, he been go Ghana, as he come back, he give me full gist of this whole matter. Hey, una no go believe say this woman, she be MP for Dansuma area, and I hear say for that area, now they say the most expensive and the most strongest weed for the whole of Ghana. I don't need to tell una wetin e mean now. By now, una suppose don't know. You understand? Make you no be say na for my mouth una hear am. But as it be like this, omo, it be like say Auntie Kush don't ready. In fact, she sorry, Auntie Ursula. Abeg, na joke at the joke. You understand? It be like say she don't ready take that thing. She don't before she enter that because the way she scatter. No, make una no be like that. The way she scatter everywhere can't start the catch fire. And as it be like this, as she say, my people, she say NDC people take her seat. Say she no go agree because she be no nonsense woman. That's so she started do giddy. Her body can't dey hot. My people, no be small thing. As I can't dey watch her, he think when they do me like say she be Chun-Li. I can't say who be this one. When I don't watch Street Fighter. Now so she be for the video. I could say wetin happen. And as the man no even gree stand up. Now so the woman come carry her bottles. He bugum on top the man. Hey, wahala boss oh. No be smart where people are beg. Make you no be like saying now only me they enjoy this matter because now why I bring the video. You understand? Because make you join me watch this video. Hey, why Ghanaians like they compete? Any small thing, una too get competing spirit. It too dey una body. Why? Now just to the copy. If Nigeria do, una go do. Before it start with music. This one they compete with this one. Fight even they happen. Nah, na politics. No, why? Wetin come they bring all this thing? And the thing where even they funny me for this matter, this man no even move. Oh. No, now no watch the video. As the woman sit down, the man no even gree move, no even stand up. How come they think say, this man they even enjoy this thing? I say, abeg, may they help me check in your trouser, you understand? Before, be like say, if they possible say something don't rise for that place, I'm not talking anything, I just they explain. You understand? And as it be now, my people, I did show say this man Gundu say, he don't bring out that thing. He supposed don't come out because una no see this woman body. Auntie Ursula, you package, you carry left, right, front, back, everything. See, with this woman, All of una wey dey take drugs, wey dey take alomo bitter, you una no need that, una dey waste una time. This woman, she on her own, she be vibe. Her body fit raise dead. People wey don die 10 years ago sef, they go still come out. Hey, Auntie Usula. And see, you don't understand. This thing wey you do like this, I just dey pray say make people no even dey copy you, because this is a really bad example. I trust Nigerians. Area where una dey, if na Naija this thing happen, una go just dey hear pa 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 bottles everywhere. Nigerians no dey carry last, especially all those northerners, senators. Their own na to dey carry chair, dey throw away up and down. Nigeria na drama. Abeg, before I go waste my saliva finish, bring this woman outside. Kung fu madam, kung fu mistress. Why you dey behave like Boko Haram trainee? Abi you go terrorism school where they teach people how to they terrorize people. Men, you no even dey fear say na man you dey fight. Now wow. It be like say they don't swear for you from where you come from. Abi where this woman come from safe? They don't swear for you finish. You no even fit get small. You no fit calm down small. Now wow. Abi na because of Oga at the top. Like people, because now so gist reach me. Say this woman, hey, she and Oganana, they you understand? They rub each other back. No be smart, you know. Side chick things. I may not be from my mouth to the year, see, behave like woman. Auntie Yusuf, behave like woman, oh. Because this your character. If you not calm down, now me, look this face very well. I go give you nickname. You understand? You won't hear the name. No, now say yes, you won't hear the name. Al-Qaeda or Usu. That's why I'm going to call you now. You understand? So you better cool that temper. If not, you go to hear them everywhere. And no say na me start am. You understand? Yes, my people, na the matter be this so for Aproko Show 101 TV. For now, we no know how Ghana hot now. I don't bring a call on side. And I need to know what you think concerning this matter. Hey, drop her for the comment section. May everybody, you understand? Share this video. May everybody know what they happen for Aproko Show. Don't go far. I go see you now later.